Now the customer is all loaded up and ready for their wash experience. This is where they get the clean, shiny, and dry vehicle. We're going to look at the 5 factors of clean, but we're going to concentrate on chemical, mechanical action, and timing. So when the customer's loaded up, the conveyor will start to pull them through. This is where you will engage the photo eyes and the wash sequencing starts. So we'll measure the length of the vehicle and the timing will be set in the wash controller. This will dictate when chemical functions come on, when they turn off, and then also how long they'll be on in the dwell time, and then also when the mechanical actions will start to engage and when they'll retract. So now we'll talk a little bit about chemistries. The first chemicals that normally go onto the vehicle are your pre-soaks. You'll normally have a high and low pH, and these products are determined by the regional conditions and the soil types. We have a multitude of different products that we can put on depending upon those conditions. The next product is your wheel cleaner, which will clean your wheels and your rims. You'll also need a foaming agent to make sure that you have lubricity in your wash so your foam doesn't get caught up on antennas or cause any type of damage to the vehicle surface. So now I want to talk a little bit about chemical applicators. Each product has different characteristics, whether it be foaming or non-foaming, and the applicator can help you effectively put that onto the surface of the vehicle. It can create either a V-jet or a foam tube with a straight application. Each product's a little bit different, and you want to be able to select the right applicator for the right product. Now we're going to talk about the mechanical action in the wash process. So this is to make sure that we're effectively cleaning the different areas of the vehicle. So some of those elements would be a top brush. This is going to hit the front grille of the wash, it's going to hit the windshield, and it's going to hit the back end of the vehicle. You have your wheel brush, which hits those wheels and the rims and effectively cleans your tires and rims. You'll come through and you'll hit some high pressure. So this is to hit the sides of the vehicle, get the wheel wells, and then clean some of those difficult areas with that high pressure water, which creates impingement to get rid of that dirt and also gets rid of some of the foam off the vehicle as well. You have an undercarriage spray to clean the under of the vehicle and also put a protectant on if that's something that you desire as well. So working your way through here, we have our low boys, which clean the side of the vehicle. You have your side wraps, which are 701s, which clean the front ends and the sides of the vehicle. So one of the key elements of our brushes is our closed cell foam. So this doesn't allow debris or material to get caught up into the brushes, and it will reduce the likelihood of scratching or marring on the surface of the vehicle. And then continuing it through, you have some additional high pressure, which is our Magnum Force arch that will sweep the vehicle, creating impingement and getting rid of that foam. So once this mechanical action is completed, we've set up the car to go through our finishing area. This is where we get all those great premium protectants like Rain-X, Armor All Extreme Shine Wax, ceramic, and graphene.